how AI is optimizing renewable energy. Imagine a world where your electricity doesn't just come from clean sources. It predicts when you need it, manages itself, and saves you money without you lifting a finger. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's already happening, thanks to AI. As the world pushes toward renewable energy, we face one massive challenge: inconsistency. Solar panels don't generate power at night, and wind turbines sit idle on calm days. That unpredictability used to be a serious problem, until artificial intelligence entered the equation. Today, AI is completely transforming how we generate, store, and use clean energy. It starts with prediction. Using vast amounts of weather data and historical trends, AI can forecast energy production with amazing precision. That means power grids can plan ahead, reduce waste, and make better decisions, like when to pull energy from solar, wind, or stored reserves. AI is also a game changer for maintenance. Sensors placed on turbines and solar panels feed real-time data into AI models, which can detect tiny issues before they become expensive failures. That leads to faster repairs, lower costs, and more uptime. And let's talk storage. AI optimizes when to store excess energy in batteries and when to release it, ensuring the power is available exactly when needed. This makes renewable energy much more reliable and efficient. Even in your own home, AI is working behind the scenes, managing solar panels, controlling smart thermostats, and adjusting energy use based on your habits and utility prices. AI isn't just making our lives easier, it's making our energy smarter. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.